In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a disabled Fiverr account. This process can sometimes feel daunting, but with a clear understanding of the steps involved, you'll be on your way to regaining access in no time. First, it's important to determine the status of your account. Sometimes, accounts can remain closed for over a year or might even be permanently deleted. Unfortunately, if an account has been deleted, it cannot be restored. However, if your account was only closed and not deleted, you still have a chance to reclaim it. To start the reactivation process, you'll need to reach out to Fiverr using your registered email address. This is crucial because communications must come from the email associated with your Fiverr account. If, for some reason, you cannot access that email anymore, do not worry. In such cases, include your username along with any details you remember about the email associated with your account. This will help Fiverr support team identify your account and assist you better. Once you make this request, the ball is in Fiverr's court. Their support team will take the time to review your reactivation request. Don't forget to keep an eye on the responses sent to your email, as they will confirm whether reactivation is possible. If they give you the green light and your account is reactivated, go ahead and log in using your existing credentials. But what if you've forgotten your password in the meantime? No worries, just click on Forgot Password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it securely. Now that you've regained access, it's a great opportunity to update your account details for enhanced security. Take a moment to update your email address to one that you regularly use. Also, make sure your phone number is current, and your security question is something you can easily recall. This adds an extra layer of protection to your Fiverr account. In cases where your account was disabled due to a policy violation, you still have options. It's important to familiarize yourself with Fiverr's terms of service and community standards. Understanding where things went wrong can be a learning experience, and you can appeal the decision by contacting Fiverr from your registered email. Provide them with any context or explanations that might support your case. If you prefer to ask questions directly to Fiverr's AI customer support, Vivi, you can do so by simply clicking the Fiverr icon at the lower right corner of your account page. This tool can be incredibly helpful for any additional queries or detailed steps you may need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck with your Fiverr account recovery.